well, Thursday evening, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, 48. And also you see this little swirl right in here. You can see it right here. The little start, and I do expect it to become early, and it's going to be an active one this year as well. And also it may end in late November. So when the hurricane season wraps up, hurricane season runs from June 1st all the way through center will be issuing advisory on May 15th. They'll be doing for the Pacific. Don't. So we may start off with some advisories from the National Hurricane Center. So don't be surprised if you see a few advisories from the National Hurricane Center starting on May 15th. But officially it starts in June the 1st. So, but they just want to get a head start on it anyway. So there you go. All right. Also, we're going to talk about your forecast for Friday and Saturday, which Friday is my birthday. I will be 41 years old Friday. So if anybody want to wish me a happy birthday, you're welcome to write it down in the comment section below this video. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory Map. Also, take a look at the Storm Prediction Center overview and the storm reports that came in this afternoon. We had 3 tornado reports and we had a lot of hail reports come in. We'll take a look at that as well. Also, we're going to take a look at the storm and also day number 4, which is Sunday. We'll be taking a look at that as well. All right, folks. Alright, you can see for the Carolina, maybe a few scattered showers maybe on Saturday. You'll see that on my Facebook forecast post if you subscribe. We've got a lot of clustered showers Pacific Ocean, and also we got some down around Central America as well. So, too. Alright, and on my birthday, the forecast looks pretty good for South Carolina, New Brunswick, the Maine, all the way down to the Carolinas, Florida, Florida Keys, back over toward Louisiana, also through the Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, down in the Yucatan Sea, also in the southeast Canada. We got a large area of mixed precipitation extending from the Canadian U.S. border. So said, welcome to Congress. Down in the region of Ohio, all the way toward D.C., Maryland, and New Jersey and Delaware vicinity, including the Carolinas and Virginia and Georgia as well. Alrighty, we got some thunderstorms and showers stretching from up here near Rhode Island, Connecticut, up towards the southeast Canadian region, portion of Ohio, back into Arkansas and Texas, extended through Kansas, through Colorado, back into portion of Montana, through the Dakotas, also into Minnesota and Wisconsin. The yellow slashed area extending from Wisconsin to Michigan all the way back down into central Texas. And under there is a red slash. It could be some flash flood and heavy rains there. But the yellow slashed area here is some showers and storms, which may become severe in that region. Alright, we got mixed precipitation in portions of South Dakota and all back to Idaho, Montana, through Washington, Oregon State. More shower activity over here in western Washington, Oregon State, as well as Wyoming as well. Alright, all of this activity is for your Saturday, April 20. Alright, let's take a look at the watches warning advisory. Alright, you can see here we got some freeze warnings and effect from up here in there in the portions of Pennsylvania, western New York State, and also in the Michigan. Frost advisories here in the lighter blue from over here around the same area, New Jersey, Delaware, Pennsylvania, eastern Maryland, through Pennsylvania, through Ohio, and also in the portion of Michigan. Especially for Mississippi, Louisiana, and East Texas. We have some flash flood warnings, also some areas flood advisories over portions of Missouri and also in the portions of Kansas. Red flag warning has been posted for you guys in Minnesota, North Dakota, and also into portions of Montana. Same down in Colorado and much of Texas, central and western Texas, and also into portions of New Mexico with high wind warnings there as well. The tornado watch is in effect for Colorado and eastern Colorado, western areas of Kansas, and southwestern area of Nebraska, with some ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings. Winter weather advisory, winter storm watches for portions of Colorado. Winter weather advisories in effect for you guys, Utah, Nevada, and winter storm warnings and winter weather advisory for Montana and Wyoming is as well. All right, winter weather advisory for the portion of Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and Nevada, in California, and portions of California. Same from areas over here from Outer Banks of North Carolina up towards the Eastern Virginia area. Same around the Hawaiian Chain Island, and also some blizzard warning to the north, and some also small craft advisory to the north and southwestern area of Alaska. All right, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center. This four forecast and make it a portion of Kansas, also in the portion of Nebraska, and one up here in South Dakota as well. Take a look at the convective outlook for today. Colorado. We're talking about, I think, that current watch is in effect. All right, let's take a look at the current watches. Kansas, Oklahoma, and North Texas. And the convective outlook for today was, if we can get to it, we had that marginal rift in the green stretching from South Dakota all the way down into Texas. Had a few pockets of enhanced rift over portions of Nebraska and Alright, here we go. We got a little area of enhanced risk up here in the Omaha and Lincoln area, and also Del Monte Iowa vicinity, Kansas, and Jefferson City, all the way down to Dallas. If you live in San Antonio, all the way to La Crosse, Wisconsin, also Pierre, Illinois, and Hannibal and Springfield areas. Marginal risk for severe weather on your Friday. Let's take a look at the tornado probability. Thunderstorm from California all the way over to portion of Michigan and also in the portion of Indiana and Ohio region as well. Pretty much in Omaha, Lincoln, and the Mons, Iowa region, and also the 5% range of Hannibal, south of east of McCook. Percent from Sioux Falls down to Austin and San Antonio to Pierre and also Springfield. If you live in Norfolk, Omaha, Lincoln, Kansas, Jefferson City, Springfield, down toward Dallas, 15% risk for damage and winds. Let's take a look at the large hail. All right, pretty much Omaha, Lincoln, down toward Dallas areas as well for large hail. Is where the pretty much the significant area for large hail will be maybe baseball size hail in some of the vicinities in that area. All right, let's move on to day number 3. See if we can get to day number. Well, in fact, well, I think all right, here's day number 4. As you can see, from Del Mons to Pierre to Springfield, Hannibal, down field area in Missouri, all the way down to Shreveport, Dallas, Waco, Tulsa. Okay. Here it is, day number 3. We finally got it. Alright, we got general thunderstorm from Watertown to Buffalo, down toward Cleveland, all the way down to Shreveport, Jackson, down to Houston, Corpus Christi, thunderstorm from Flagstaff to Jackson to Casper, Wyoming, also back toward Duluth, Michigan. We have a marginal risk from up here near Marquette, Michigan, down towards the Colby area, down to San Antonio, Austin, all the way over towards Springfield, Chicago. You're in the marginal risk, slight risk. If you're in Milwaukee to La Crosse, down toward Kansas City, well, east of there, Jefferson City, excuse me, down toward Springfield, down toward Dallas, Waco. And if you're in the Wichita Falls, Fort Steele, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and also Wichita Falls, and Kansas City, you're included in the enhanced risk. Probability should be 5 in the green, 15 in the yellow, and 30 here in this area here. All right, we'll show it in a minute. Everybody has a wonderful, wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care. Also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, and consider subscribing, and make sure you subscribe if you have not. But anyway, here is the significant area for severe weather for day number 3. This is Dallas, Oklahoma City, Fort Worth, Kansas City, Oklahoma, like I said, Wichita, Kansas City, Omaha, Overland Park, Kansas. That's Saturday. So get ready, folks. Severe weather on the way, and it's going to be a busy severe weekend. And from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So have a good one, folks. Take care. And I'll